Apple just introduced a lot of new updates to iOS that are making our lives as email marketers extremely hard. Let me actually explain you what happened and how you can actually fix that for your email marketing campaigns. If you remember, on iOS 15, Apple introduced a new privacy feature that basically downloads all the emails on the background. What it means is that most of your tracking pixels will be triggered and you will have fake data, period. With iOS 18.2, the problem gets even farther because they just introduced a new categorization feature, very similar to Gmail and all those email clients. Before all the emails get into the same inbox, now Apple will automatically categorize them into promotions, updates, or primary inbox. Long story short, most of the e-commerce emails will actually land into promotions and updates. And the problem is that Apple designed that in a way where you cannot easily find those information. Like, it's not incentivized. Like, if I'm a user, unless I'm looking for something very specifically here, I'm not going to change my tab. I will just remain on primary because why to bother? And the issue with that is, as email marketers, most of our emails will be ignored on iOS. There are little things that you can do. It's time to stop sending highly designed emails. When you send emails that has tons of images, especially the e-commerce guys, but I've seen this in SaaS and across many industries, your emails are most likely be flagged as spam. We are getting into a new world with email marketing where the story-driven marketing campaigns, founding story, product information, useful content is key to win. Like, literally, you should send emails as if you were texting your friend. Or if we are coworkers and you're sending me valuable information that I should read yes or yes. And the number one way to make this happen is to start sending text plain emails. I know sometimes they don't look as cute and as on brand as other kinds of emails, but that is a trend with email marketing. This is not going anywhere. It's simple. Like, what are the color-rich people that sends millions of emails daily do? They never track pixels, and they always send text plain emails where either they don't put any link on those emails or they just keep the links to very, very short, like maybe one or twice per email. And if you really want to learn about email marketing, I'm just gonna shout out this guy, Chris, because he's a badass guy and his newsletter is crazy. I just love that. And he writes a lot of really great content. And the last tip is, if you find a way to actually encourage your customers to categorize your emails differently, you can do a fun game saying, hey, please, if you categorize my emails as your primary inbox, which, by the way, you should send valuable content that they want to see in their primary inbox. But if you categorize that as my primary inbox, I'm just going to give you a shout out in my next newsletter, or I'm just going to send you something in return. Those little things that you can actually do to start boosting the engagement and ask them, like, send me a screenshot. Anyway, if you need any help with your email marketing campaigns and growth in general, just send me a message at jorge@sutools.ai. I'm here to help. And if you're looking for a really badass email marketing tool, go to sutools.ai. I'm the founder, so I gotta plug my own thing, right? See you next video. And Apple, this is not a losing battle. We're going against you, okay?